Yeah, let me get over here.
Betsy has something.
Oh, right here.
That's
right there. Boom, look at that.
Oh yeah, he has it. Although we both know that the drill is a bad idea.
Why?
It has stripped out everything we've done with it. His butt. Dang.
I don't think this clamp's gonna work. It might. It's gonna be close.
It's gonna be close.
Alright, so we are ready to put...
Oh, this just leaked.
Huh?
It just leaked. It's leaking.
Okay, alright, something else.
That's not good. Because I think the oil's leaking. You know?
Take care of it.
Will we, though?
We will.
Eventually. Lion King. Woo. If you put your butt in my face one more time. Yeah, we're not putting the airbox on to try this, right?
No. Long screwdriver?
Long screwdriver. Non-existent.
It's somewhere out here. We need to find it.
Fine, whatever. On the last side. Like a long screwdriver with a fat tip, or like this? Is this good, Dad? This ridiculous thing?
Dude, we have one out already. Didn't find it.
No, you don't. It's this one. Here you go.
This is gonna work. Yes, I do think this is gonna work. Okay.
Is that good? Of course, out of all the things, it's a fuel line that's linking. Linking. What?
It's oil.
Oil. Same thing. Oil line, fuel line, whatever. They're made of the same material, aren't they? Both rubber. Did it work?
I don't know. I don't know. I think we need a longer one. Different clamp. This is just gonna come right out.
It is?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. I got that other one. I just need to change the screw in it. That's all.
With that screw?
No, I tried already. This one's too small or something.
So we have to use the improvised screw. Shiny new clamp and it don't even work.
Yeah,
It's okay, it's like a bracelet.
Yeah, it just closes. It's too big. It's okay. We'll find another one.
Booty. They'll find another one. Yeah, turn that thing down. Jesus. I'm trying.
Not that one, right? This. This one will go around it. This one will work. Oh, we never found my freaking flathead. Oh, man. You suck.
How's that my fault?
That was my favorite flathead tip, too.
The long one? The long red one?
No, the little black one.
Isn't this one? It.
No, tip.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna change out this oil clamp real quick.
You're gonna have a lot of editing to do, dude.
Whatever.
It'll be a hell of a learning experience.
Whatever. Alright, got this part on.
Gas can on.
Should be good enough for the oil. My hands are all greasy now, though. Least favorite part is getting my hands greasy. Or oily. Whatever.
Alright, we're gonna do a compression test on this thing real quick.
Yup.
Spark plug's still good. It's brand new.
Of course it is. Why would it not be brand freaking new, huh? 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 That's me. Silly. Blowtorch. Which doesn't work because it's on lock mode. Lock mode. Lock mode. Lock mode.
Okay.
The thing's still on.
Huh?
The black thing's still on.
Yeah, it's supposed to. It's rubber.
Oh.
To seal it. Okay. Clearly, I don't know how this thing works.
Clearly. And clearly there are instructions.
Alright, so let's turn that video off.